Hi, and welcome to the first ever Eloping with Ease guide. This is a complete guide on how to plan your elopement from the very beginning to the very end and everything you possibly need to know about planning your elopement. With over 8 years of experience in the wedding industry, I have tons of knowledge and resources I can share with you to make it as easy as possible to plan your dream day. There is nothing else like this out there. It is hard to find resources about eloping, so this is an all-in-one just for you to help you bring your dreams to life. This guide will take the stress and confusion away, and it will bring excitement and clarity to you about planning your dream elopement. Inside this guide, there is 8 videos for you to go through. They are super detailed and have everything you could possibly need to know. There is also a workbook with 45 pages to help you plan, dream, and bring it all to life. A few extra benefits about this guide is there is a private community within where it is a safe space for you and other couples to talk about your elopement, think about ideas, share your plans, ask questions. This is a community for you. I provide you with the tools to bring your dream elopement to life. You deserve to have the best day ever. So if you're ready to plan your elopement with ease, I will see you inside the guide at the very first section. I can't wait to see you there.